Here, FIITJEE helped me in solving this problem by giving as many mock tests as possible in the form of Fcat. Hi, my name is Aditya Gupta and I am a student of 1-year classroom program followed by 4-year classroom program. In JEE Advanced 2023, I secured a rank of 838, whereas in JEE Mains I got a rank of 430. I have also cleared exams like NTSE in class 10th and KVPY in class 11, securing an All India rank of 304. I started my journey for JEE in class 8, which was very helpful towards my JEE preparation. The two of the major challenges faced by me during my JEE preparation were silly mistakes that I committed during the exam and demotivation. First, silly mistakes. Silly mistakes in my exam were one of the main reasons due to which I lost 20 to 25 marks in every exam. Here, FIITJEE helped me in solving this problem by giving as many mock tests as possible in the form of Fcat, face test, AI2TS, which helped me in increasing my focus during exam and avoiding as many mistakes as possible. Second, demotivation. During my 2 years of JEE journey, in some of the mock tests my rank dropped down by a lot. However, I did not get demotivated by this. Rather, I understood from my mistakes and rectified in their future papers. One of the main things required during a JEE preparation is consistency. As we say that JEE journey is not a sprint, rather it is a marathon. So, there will be moments when you will feel demotivated and will want to give up. However, it is the moment when you should gather all your energy and focus towards your goal. The system at FIITJEE was very helpful. Regular exams like Fcat and face tests were conducted after every 2 weeks and 1 month respectively. Moreover, exams like AI2TS and AITS helped me in understanding my All India rank. Regular analysis were also given after every exam, which helped me in understanding my mistakes and rectifying them. One of the most interesting aspects of FIITJEE system was Concept Kundli. Concept Kundli basically involved an in-depth analysis of each question wherever we went wrong and how we can rectify it. My gurus at FIITJEE were in particular very enthusiastic and helpful throughout the 2 years. They were very eager and also cleared my doubts always. My message to all the future aspirants is to avoid backlogs. This is because backlogs is one of the main hindrances during JEE preparation for any aspirant. This can be avoided by completing your work as and when the topic is completed by our teachers. I am really grateful and thankful to all my teachers, parents, friends and above all FIITJEE system which helped me in achieving my dream college.